Let's be honest, eggplant is such an underappreciated vegetable, mostly because a lot of us do not know how to cook it in the kitchen, right? This recipe, though, is very simple. Once it's sliced, we're going to season it with some salt, let it sit for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to dice up some garlic, slice some chilies. Chilies are optional, but it adds some nice kick and some nice color to the overall presentation. Once we slice the scallion and cilantro here, we're going to make the sauce with the ingredients listed here. All my recipes are available in my bio link with Samsung Food. Make sure you check it out. Now let's head back to the eggplant. Once marinated, we're going to rinse it out with water and squeeze the water as much as you can. Dust with some cornstarch. It's ready to go. Now quickly heat up some cooking oil, adding the eggplant to stir fry on medium-high heat for 5 minutes until it becomes soft. You may also add in some diced garlic to release more garlic aroma before we add in the sauce, which is the best part of the recipe. Make sure everything is mixed in and then garnish with some scallion and cilantro. There you have it. It's so good and it goes really well with a bowl of rice. Again, all my recipes are available in my bio link. Make sure you check it out. Thank you for watching.